Namaste, I'm Minnie and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are making vegan meatball recipe with marinara sauce, and along with that I'll be showing you two more recipe ideas which you can make using the same vegan meatball mix. If you are new here, I make easy vegan or plant-based recipes with step-by-step instructions, and if you would like to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. These are the list of ingredients we would need for vegan meatballs. I have also listed them in the description section. So to a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add 1 medium finely chopped onion and let it cook till it turns translucent. I am going to cook the onion over medium heat, and it can take around 7 to 10 minutes for it to turn golden brown. Then add 4 cloves of grated garlic and let this cook for 2 minutes over medium heat. Garlic tends to stick to the pan, so keep stirring it in between so it doesn't stick and burn. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt or salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, and mix everything together. Now we are going to add 250 grams of chopped mushrooms. I am using portobello mushrooms for this recipe, but you can use any of your favorite mushrooms. Let the mushrooms cook over medium or low heat till they are completely cooked. You will know as soon as they shrink in size, and in between you will see the mushroom releasing water into the pan as well. As you can see, the mushrooms are now cooked completely. We are going to switch off the heat and set them aside. Now to a blender, add 100 grams of pecan, you can replace them with walnut too, 100 grams of oats, and blend them together. You will get the best results using a food processor, but I am using a blender here. As you can see, they are blended perfectly. Now we are going to add the mushroom mix we prepared to the blender. Blend them together, and as you can see, we are doing in stages because it will be easier that way. Now add 250 grams of boiled black beans to the blender too, and blend. You will get the smooth but textured paste out of it, and now we are going to shape the vegan meatballs. So start by rubbing some oil to your hands, then take around 1 tablespoon of the batter and roll it in between your hands. Roll the mixture till it's really smooth and round, but you can give it any shape, and we'll discuss that later. So right now we are going to make these amazing vegan meatballs. And as you can see, we have a lot of batter, but I'm choosing to make just 8 vegan meatballs as of now. We are going to brush some oil to a baking tray. Then place the vegan meatballs to the pan. Bake the meatballs at 220 degrees Celsius for over 20 minutes. And the vegan meatballs are ready, guys. These are slightly crispy on the outside and so soft on the inside. Ideally, you can serve the meatballs with anything, but we are going for a classic marinara sauce. So to the pan, add some oil and 1 small finely chopped onion. Let the onion cook over medium or low heat till it turns golden brown. Then add 5 grated garlic cloves and let it cook for 2 minutes over medium or low heat. I'm also adding some red chili. I'm using 1 medium finely chopped red chili. Give it a mix. Now it's time for the tomato puree. I'm adding 300 ml of tomato puree. To the same tomato puree bowl, I have added some water and swirled it around and added that to the pan as well. Now let the tomato puree simmer over low heat till you start to see it boil. Look at that. I'm going to give it a mix, and then I'm going to add 1 or 2 teaspoons of salt or salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of vegan sugar. Give everything a mix. One of my favorite things with marinara sauce is the fresh green leaves we add to it, which add such great fragrance to the sauce. I'm adding some fresh oregano leaves, followed by some fresh basil leaves. And that's it guys, the marinara sauce is ready. Now we are going to add the vegan meatballs to the marinara sauce. Now I'm going to gently mix the marinara sauce with the meatballs entirely. There are so many different ways you can eat this recipe with. You can eat it just like that, or with some spaghetti, or with some rice, or even with chapatis. For the garnish, I'm using some fresh oregano leaves. Doesn't this already look picture perfect? Well, I can tell you definitely smells amazing in here. And like I said, you don't have to always serve it with marinara sauce. You can choose your own gravy or eat them just like that because they're perfect on their own as well. And since Thanksgiving is round the corner, you can even impress your friends by making these amazing vegan meatballs at home, and I'm sure everyone will love it. So guys, like I said before, this is not the only recipe we'll be seeing today. I have 2 more recipes for you which can be prepared using the same vegan meatball mix. So the next one we are going to see is the burger patty. Start by applying some oil to your hands. Then as per the size of the patty, take around 2 to 3 tablespoons of batter and then give it a patty shape. For this burger patty recipe, we are going to cook the patties over a flat pan. Heat a pan and add around 1 tablespoon of oil and brush it evenly across the pan. And once the pan is hot, go ahead and add the patties to the pan. Now switch the heat to medium or low and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on one side. Then flip it, it should look something like this. If you feel it is still not cooked completely, don't worry, let it cook on this side and you can flip it over later. Once you have one side completely cooked, go ahead and add some cheese slices. Then cover the pan and let it cook over low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes or till the cheese melts. In between, I'm just slightly toasting the buns too. And meanwhile, till the patties are still cooking, I'm starting with applying some vegan mayo on the buns, followed by some ketchup. This is one of my favorite combinations and you can totally create your own. Now place the patty on top of the buns. Now put some slices of onion on both the patties, followed by some slices of tomatoes. And that's it guys. Your vegan patty burger is ready. And let's quickly move towards our last recipe for the day, the vegan patty salad. So for this one, we have baked the patties in small slices. And now we are going to arrange the salad together. So to a bowl, add half medium finely chopped cucumber, followed by 1 finely chopped carrot and 1 small finely chopped tomato. Add the baked vegan patties to the bowl. Adding some fresh oregano leaves, followed by 2 tablespoons of cilantro chutney or green chutney. Then around 1 tablespoon of vegan mayo. I'm topping it up with some Himalayan pink salt, but you can use regular salt if you like. I'm adding around 1 teaspoon. Some freshly crushed black pepper. And finally, some more green chutney because I can't get enough of this. And that's it guys, there were your 3 different recipes using the same vegan meatball mix. I would definitely love to know in the comment section which one was your favorite. So if you liked today's video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Food Atomic. If you are still looking for more vegan videos, check out this easy vegan lasagna recipe or check out this playlist where you can find so many different easy vegan recipes. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan video. Until then, bye.